15 foods that will help get rid of belly fat. Excess abdominal fat, particularly visceral fat, the kind that surrounds your organs and puffs your stomach into a beer gut, can be the precursor to heart disease and type 2 diabetes and some cancers. Dandelion tea. This is a great replacement for coffee and is also an effective diuretic, so it can help to reduce water retention and belly bloating. This healthy tea will help you feel slimmer and reduce the toxic load too. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is a great natural bile stimulant and acid reflux preventer. It keeps the stomach pH levels balanced so you will have a flatter tummy. Add a capful to half a glass of water and drink after you wake up. You can even add it to your cooking or salads. You can also buy apple cider vinegar tablets. Chia seeds. High in protein and omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds will help keep blood sugar levels stable and fill you up to hold your cravings at bay. Water. Water flushes out toxins, keeps your appetite in check and is the best and cheapest belly fat burner available. Acai berries. Acai berry powder is high in anthocyanin, a natural pigment providing powerful antioxidants. Acai provides an array of minerals that help to keep your body healthy and gives you high levels of sustainable energy. This extra energy will enable you to get out and perform more stomach fat-burning exercises to burn more calories. Cinnamon. Cinnamon is a cross between spicy and sweet and adds so much flavor to your breakfast. Cinnamon also helps balance blood sugar levels, lowers bad cholesterol and helps reduce pain and inflammation. Green coffee. High in chlorogenic acids, green coffee may assist in promoting weight loss by the heightened conversion of fat into energy. Basically, it helps burn fat stores which will help reduce your abdominal fat. It is also an antioxidant and free radical scavenger. Available in satchels, you can use it instead of your normal instant coffee. Green tea. Green tea can increase your fat metabolism rate, especially if you drink it throughout the day. It is made from unfermented tea leaves and contains high concentrations of antioxidants, known as polyphenols. Green tea extract, especially the catechins, appear to be the secret to fat burning and metabolism boosting effects. Drink around 3 to 5 cups per day for maximum benefit to help you with stomach fat loss. Branch-chain amino acids. BCAAs are 3 amino acids known as leucine, valine and isoleucine. They help prevent muscle breakdown and can be bought as flavored powders to use in place as sports drinks. Drink them during your fat-burning workout instead of water as they will help you tone up as you lose that belly and may even help in the formation of abdominal muscles. Parsley. Parsley has many health benefits, including reducing the effects of diarrhea, improving digestion, regulating the menstrual cycle and increasing the rate of urination. This means that more matter is expelled from the body, including more calories and thus reducing weight loss. The diuretic aspect of parsley juice also means that it detoxifies the body faster than other drinks and acts as an appetite suppressant, making you feel fuller. Celery. Celery is a great diuretic to rid your body of excess water. It is high in fiber and very low in calories. Juice celery with carrot and ginger for a revitalizing fresh drink, which helps reduce belly bloat so you can feel more comfortable. Spirulina. Spirulina is a sea plant that is high in protein and calcium, boosts your energy and is a great antioxidant. It is available in powder form and can be added to a smoothie for that extra boost. Spirulina is a great ingredient to add to your diet to slow your appetite and help reduce calorie intake. Wheatgrass. Wheatgrass has a high concentration of iron, magnesium, calcium, amino acids, vitamins C, A and E, B12, B6 and chlorophyll. These vitamins and minerals provide many therapeutic benefits. Wheatgrass can rid the digestive system of harmful bacteria and cleanse the body of toxins. It also cleanses the colon and can help in the treatment of joint pain, ulcerative colitis, skin infections, and can even help prevent diabetes. Yogurt. Yogurt is a healthy treat that can combat stubborn belly fat. High in good bacteria, the benefits of yogurt on gastrointestinal health have been said to provide health benefits for gastrointestinal conditions, including lactose intolerance, constipation, IBS, colon cancer, inflammatory bowel disease, Helicobacter pylori infection, and allergies. Just make sure you look at the nutrition label and choose only no added sugar varieties. Choose Greek yogurt varieties and use your own frozen berries and cinnamon to sweeten. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like button. We need your support to keep posting, so please subscribe and click that bell notification button so that you get notified when I post new videos. And if you would like, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.